Okay guys, let's create our Django app. First of all, we are going to create a folder in here. So click new folder and name it code. Okay, so our folder is created. So open up your Visual Studio Code and then click open folder, or go here and click open folder and just go to your directory where you have created your folder. So I am desktop and I'm going to open up desktop. From desktop and go to this folder, so select it. So yeah, we are now in the our uh, our folder. So click on terminal and click command prompt. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Now we are going to start to create our app. So I will see you in the next video. Okay guys, so let's start creating our first Django blog app. So first of all, we have to create our virtual environment. So let's run python -m env and env. Okay, after that type env source activate. Sorry, env scripts activate. Okay, you can see our virtual environment has been activated. So let's install Django now. Okay, Django has been installed. So let's run Django/admin start project blog. We have mistake here. Okay, you can see that our blog is being generated. Okay, so we have to just go to blog